How to create a Google form on mobile. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google form using your phone. Start by opening your mobile browser, such as Chrome, and visit forms.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Once Google Forms opens, tap on Untitled Form and enter a title for your form. You can also add a description to let people know what the form is about. Next, scroll down and add your first question. Tap on Untitled Question and type your question. Then choose the appropriate answer type, such as short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, or dropdown, depending on the information you want to collect. If you'd like to make a question mandatory, simply enable the Required option at the bottom of the question. To add more questions, tap the plus icon and repeat the same process. You can also rearrange the order of your questions by pressing and holding the drag handle next to each question. If you'd like to customize your form, tap the palette icon at the top to change the theme color, background color, header image, and font style. Before sharing your form, you can preview it by tapping the three-dot menu and selecting Preview to see how it will appear to respondents. Once your form is ready to share, tap the Send or Share button at the top. Before you can share your form, you need to publish it. Click on the Publish button and you'll get a link for your form. Now you can share it via email, copy the form link, or use other available sharing options. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Google form on mobile. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.